Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am taking on this gorgeous pair of furniture that I have received from our very kind neighbor. These pieces definitely need some attention, but nothing we can't fix. I'm aiming to keep them as a set, so I'm going to try and match them, but we shall see how that goes during this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm sanding the top of these furniture. To do that, I am using an 80 grit sandpaper and then I follow up with a 120 grit sandpaper. As you can see, this part went really quickly, so I was very lucky with that. I decided to start with the chest of drawers just because it was easier to take on more furniture at a time. Next, after a bit of an off-camera cleaning, the next thing I am doing is I am priming the piece. This time I'm trying a new to me primer, which is called Valspar Trade, and it's a not block wood primer and undercoat. This is a lot cheaper than the Zinsser that I am using, and it's supposed to be great with blocking the bleed-throughs. The primer went on really well. I didn't have any issues with applying it. I gave it 2 coats of primer just in case. After the primer has dried, I gave it a scratch test. When I'm doing a scratch test, all I'm doing is literally scratching the surface. This is how I can determine if the paint or the primer has stuck to the piece properly, or if it scratches off, that means that my preparation wasn't good enough and I probably need to start over. But as you can see, it passed the test. There are some stripes showing through the primer, which are a lot more yellow. Those probably are the resin from the pine, and I wanted to paint this piece a light color, but because of this, I would probably just paint it to a dark color just in case. I am mixing up 2 of my favorite color from Craig and Rose. I'm just using a brush to apply the paint. I gave it 2 coats of paint and I sanded in between with the 180 grit sandpaper. Next, I'm trying something that I've never tried before, which is staining with soya sauce. I saw this trend on Instagram, and even though I'm not sure about it, I decided that it's the perfect opportunity to give it a go. So, here we go. After I applied it, you can probably see that there are some blotchiness, which I'm hoping that it's only because it already started drying in places. Finally, I'm applying a furniture wax to seal the top of this piece. And with that, here is a reminder of how we started. And this is the result. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this piece? I really love this soya sauce method. I think it gives a very nice and rich color, but not overwhelming at all. And as for you, TV stand, I'm sorry, but I have to leave you for next time. I literally just ran out of time and I haven't really had the chance to get started on it. It's got a white patch on it, so I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Have you got any ideas? Let me know, guys, what do you think of this project? And thank you so much for watching, as always. I will see you in a few weeks. Bye!